Ain't no intro because I am the intro. We can't waste time. Let's get into the video.
So this the packaging it came in, and on the side I'm just showing you I got the 13x4 18-inch, which was less than $120, and they also have other inches too, which are very affordable. And I'm just showing you of what came in the bag, which was some lashes and the wig cap. And then there's the wig, and then on the side I'm showing you how they have 13x6 as well. So yeah, I got the 13x4 18-inch water wave. When I first put it out the bag, it did smell kind of fishy, but then when I held it closer to my nose, it just smelled like the hair store. But yes, look at the waves. Not curls, but the waves. The hair was very soft. And then look at the hairline. Look at when they show you the hairline. Look at when they show you the hairline. What you doing? Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a cotton picking minute. You see that? You see me? Oh yes. Yes. Oh yes. Yes. Pluck to the gods. Pluck to the queens. Yes. Yes.
Okay, enough of me acting like a fool. So this is the 13x4 lace front. If you watch my other video, I was telling you how I don't like these kind of lace fronts that got like a U in the middle, because it's like you don't really get the full 13x4. But that's neither here or there. So you got two combs on the sides, a comb in the back, comb in the bottom, and the two adjustable straps as usual. Yes. And there was no shedding as I was running my fingers through the wig. I still like it though. So even though it came pre-plucked, I still plucked it just a little more because this is how I want it to look, to my liking. Okay. So now I'm just showing you the full hairline. I plucked it all over. I did a real good job, for real.
So this is the finished look. So this is like a wavy type of texture. This bun is bigger than this bun because they sisters, they not twins. Let me show y'all the back. By the way, this is 18 inches. So this is the side. This is the back. Hello. Look at the edges, y'all. Look at the edges. Like, your girl ain't even need baby hairs. Your girl did not even need baby hairs. You see? Like, pay a deposit, who? Came in a late fee, who? Come with your hair blowed out, who? Anyways, go get you a wig from Zhuomei Hair Company. And like, it's not even shedding yet, and I've been running my fingers through it this whole time. It's gorgeous. Like, I think I'm gonna start getting wavy hair because curly hair be nice, like the deep wave and stuff like that, but it'd be too much to handle. But the wavy is just right. I would just get it longer, but they sent me 18 inches. I didn't even put makeup on the middle part. I should, but I'm not, Cause I might just give this wig away and it'll just be less work for me to clean. This is just another style I did with the hair, a little side part. But yeah, you can't see the lace. Anyways, get it. Stiff wear. Okay, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.